FUD today with the DCG Genesis bankruptcy filing of their three companies, and that has passed away, and Abe is continuing to progress upwards as scheduled here in the symmetrical triangle. Okay, so without further ado, let's talk more about Aave. So Aave, this is the website of Aave, and currently they have like 6.48 billion locked in liquidity, or TVL, and nice color. It's like ube or violet, and some dark blue and bluish gray. So they're also like exposed to Ethereum, Avalanche, Optimism, and Polygon, Arbitrum, and these are their markets. So it's governed by the community with 151,799 token holders. Okay, it's fully decentralized and community governed protocol. Then they also have grants DAO, Avi grants DAO. Then I think these are the leading security firms. Security of the Avi protocol is the highest priority. Then what else? Then Avi Community Treasury is currently at 148 million. Then 48% of that is in the Ethereum mainnet. Then next one is Polygon, Aave, and the smallest one is Optimism. Ecosystem reserve is around 113,813,000. Treasury collectors, $34.32 million. And we will read more. Okay, so this is their website. So make sure that your MetaMask or whatever wallet is available, and make sure you are in what? In Ethereum, which is kind of weird. They're like supposed to be like multiple network. But anyway, you will usually go to the dashboard, and the dashboard, you have the Ethereum market, and then you could also check on the Avalanche. Oh, you have the Avalanche. So here it is. So Avalanche, Phantom, Harmony, Optimism, and Polygon. That's for version 3, and for version 2, there's Ethereum, MMA, AMM, Polygon, and Avalanche. Okay, so best to go to version 3 because that's the newest version. That's the updated version. Okay, just to be safe. So you could also go to Arbitrum. So it means that you could change your network to Arbitrum, like in yeah. Well, I haven't updated this one because I'm using a different wallet, but you could add networks here in MetaMask. See, you could add Arbitrum, approve, then and then what else? You could add what Avalanche, approve, and then you could what else? Add more Polygon, and then Optimism, approve, dismiss, and what else?